All right, so we have the daring crew. Now I want to learn the real side, the original side of this dance. Like I said earlier, which is what put you on this site. The site was, which one of y'all ready to get at this thing, the real, original version of stepping? Okay, so now here we are, all right? Perfect. All right, like I said before, there's a little bit lost, a lot lost. They've been trying to hide the original dance. I'm gonna just be real with you, because that's what they've been doing. But you're on this website and on this page because you want to learn the original version of stepping, which is Gangster Steppin, the original version, Gangster Steppin, right? I call it James Brown, because James Brown had a big influence on stepping and roller skating rinks, and a lot of moves that you see people doing, like the crazy leg and all that stuff, that comes from the big wheel in a roller skating rinks. That's the first time I really saw stepping was in a roller skating rink. So, and plus, on top of that, the only people that did this dance were gangsters. That's why it was called Gangster Steppin. It's just not a phrase, it's a reality. That's exactly what was going on. You had, all I knew was Stones, you had Stones, Black Stone Rangers, you had Vice Lords, you had Disciples, Peace Stones, Cobra Stone. The gangs invented this dance is what I'm really trying to say to you all. So if you all are really daring and got enough hustle in you to learn the real version, the original version of step, so release that inner gangster in you. You know you want some of this, isn't it? Shout out to all the legends behind me on these videos. Some of the original true legends, Ty, Skippy, Demeter, Shorty Ed, Macaroni, George Macaroni. Just some of them, y'all know what to do. Get at your boy. That's all I'm saying. So I'll see you all inside. We gotta get our hustle on. We're gonna go back to the prehistoric stack with this dance, all right? Peace.